The Harmony Brook Watershed, we're living day by day. We're going down to the water's edge where we can splash and play. We're learning more about the land around us that we're living in.
There's a fox,
An owl, a butterfly,
And a frog jumping again.
I'm telling you, it twists and turns left and right. That's what it does. It does.
No. Owl, you
Ribbit,
don't know everything.
ribbit.
It hops and jumps
Ribbit.
up and down.
You both don't know Jack because it wiggles and tickles.
Oh, you're
Ribbit.
kidding me.
No,
It
no,
twists and
I
turns.
know.
I
wiggles
can
and
see it.
tickles.
Here,
Ribbit.
I have a
Wiggles.
pen. What's in this thing?
Hello, friends. What's going on?
Owl started it.
It was frog.
No,
No,
Ribbit,
Owl, you always start these
No,
things.
I do
because it
not.
wiggles and tickles. That's why it wiggles. Ribbit.
Friends, if you don't stop, we're going to have to rename this brook to Disharmony Brook, or maybe even Conflict Creek.
The brook is the problem. Ribbit.
How so?
I was minding my own business and just singing about how the brook hops and jumps up and down and how wonderful it was when Owl flew in and told me I was wrong.
That's because you are wrong. The brook twists and turns left and right. That's what the brook does, and I should know because I know.
Everything.
Yes, correct.
No, you don't know Jack. The river wiggles and tickles. Just ask the fish in the pool. That's the way they learn it in school.
Oh, are you
Ribbit.
kidding, frog?
Ribbit, it wiggles and it tickles. Wiggles and tickles.
Friends, you are actually all correct.
Say what?
Yeah, you all know the brook in different ways based on your unique perspectives.
Perspective.
Yeah, perspective. Our way of thinking and knowing the world is shaped by how we experience it. We all have a unique perspective. So for Owl, who flies above, of course the brook moves back and forth. It makes a gentle meandering pattern like an S curve. That's what the brook does from Owl's perspective.
Ribbit.
Our friend Fox, you run along the edge of the brook. So, of course, you see it hop and jump up and down, depending on the recent rain and how quickly the water's moving. So that's what the brook does from Fox's perspective. Frog, you're often down in the brook. So, of course, you can feel the water move fast and slow, wiggle and tickle your body. Yeah. So, friends, you are all right. You all have a unique perspective, a unique way of experiencing this beautiful brook.